In this video, I'm going to be talking about this important support area that just broken out. I will go exactly over this level. What will happen for Bitcoin in this situation? I'm going to go over price action, our symmetrical triangle. I will be going over a very interesting structure we are currently seeing on here to that 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin. I'm going to be talking about S&P 500 and how it will affect Bitcoin and much more. So don't forget to hit that like button and continue looking this video to the end because this video is going to be so interesting. Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto news today, where we share daily analysis of best crypto to buy now, also Bitcoin price prediction and most recent and relevant news around the world that every trader actually needs. We are going to add lots of value to the channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button to look for how are we supposed to make better profit from the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as well. So let's back to the content and go quickly straight to the chart. Looking at Bitcoin in 1 hour time frame chart, and before we go over this dangerous breakout is seeing here, let me start from this critical resistance that you can see here somewhere around 20,000 is our major area that we talk about it in last video, is below this harmony pattern. Then a major drop, we did manage to go below this range. It wasn't a massive breakdown, we're getting hold and a slow volatility downside. As you can see here from higher low support trend line that is like rounding bottom pattern, we had expected to see good movement upward if it was able to complete this pattern, but you can see we have broken out of this pattern and back to this range again. This range that we are in now is so important for us, and actually you can see all of the volatility made during this period of time that is actually about more than 20 days or around this area. And now after this sharp drop, you can see Bitcoin is trying to make descending channel, that basically price volatility is getting bigger, that it has all the necessary specification to be known pattern called a descending broadening wedge. Descending broadening wedge is seen as a bullish signal as it reflects that sliding prices is starting to lose momentum and that buyers are starting to move in to a slow down the fall, because actually descending broadening wedge said to be a reversal pattern. So we can expect to see Bitcoin will break out outside of this channel. So I'm going to basically open long position under of this descending channel in this position, or we can set a stop buy order above this channel to try and ride uptrend. And I think we have to short here below this M harmonic, because you know this is our critical resistance level. So by using a stop loss for our trades, I'm going to try and ride it depending on how powerful this breakdown from here or breaking up is going to be, and ride a little bit of that. Looking at stock market S&P 500 chart, which is basically affects Bitcoin a lot. As you can see, S&P trying to break this horizontal support. Breaking this support down will contain massive movement downside to the next support area, which is actually not good. I don't really like that. Breaking this down can show downward trending also for Bitcoin, and if we do get that relief rally, we need to be extremely cautious because maybe this is going to be another shorting level. And looking at Bitcoin in 4 hour time frame chart, if we do hit this somewhere around 19,900, 19,800, start getting that constellation reaction at that range, couple of multiple attempts hitting this level, then of course we could finally get that leg down we are looking for to the lowest support area, potentially that breakdown finally. All right, this is something we have to pay attention because the stock market is very weak and getting down is not good at all. But if we are going to get supported, let's see the kind of reaction here. If we start pumping up S&P 500, this will help Bitcoin to get that, you know, larger relief rally at the moment. Like I said, the possibility of relief pump, you know, I think it's very likely, but it's very risky, of course. And before I go to the most important topic of today, let me guys tell you that I honestly believe, as I said, this month could be so busy. There's a lot of good news and bad news makes many indicators indicate Bitcoin to be bullish, where some others not, like S&P 500. Volatility is expected to be high. So let me guys emphasize that we are team analyzing cryptocurrency for several years, and we are going to be share lots of value to the channel, but most of them will not find enough time to be shared. So If you guys interested to trade automatically our trade without touching a small finger, even without accessing to the internet, you can just join our private Telegram channel by texting admin. Her username is in our public channel that you can see here, and I will also link it below to enjoy emphasize the configuration automated trading in any extension that you use with lots of instant profit daily. So never ever lose this opportunity. Furthermore, something that's clear here, looking back to 4-hour timeline chart, that BTC is still trying to hold itself higher low. So in fact, we are still trading in an uptrend, and only if we do confirm a lower low only for LED candle, so low close below the approximately $90,000 for a Bitcoin, will absolutely confirm that we are starting a dangerous trend, and then we could be expecting more downward rallying to come for Bitcoin. But so far still we are been trading in a very beautiful trend on the 4-hour time frame. And looking at this chart that we talked about it last update video about Bitcoin prediction, this is something that we have expected. If I said confirm a lower low, where we get these candles from last huge breakdown of Bitcoin, that is somewhere around here, and it could be also from here, somewhere around here like this. This is our prediction if Bitcoin, I said if Bitcoin confirm a lower low. This was our prediction of today. Thank you for watching. See you.